In this video, we are going to deploy strategy in real accounts. Keeping in mind the current market trend, the Bank Nifty spot opened flat in the 43,650 range. Having immediate support in the 43,500 range, followed by the 43,300 range. Upper level resistance is at 43,800, followed by the 44,200 and 44,500 ranges. I expect that Bank Nifty will be breaking either of these levels during this week. I feel, long iron Condor strategy would be a better choice to deploy this week. Let's build the strategy in the indicator and deploy it at 10 a.m. sharp. Switching back to a 1-minute time frame on the chart in order to get better timing precision for strategy deployment. Head to the indicator settings panel and set the expiry dates for the current week and next expiry. If you are not sure how to set the expiry date, please refer to the previous video in the watch list to get a better understanding. Set the trigger entry post time to 10:00, wherein the first two letters refer to hours. And the next two letters refer to minutes. Since I do not have any other entry conditions, I am unchecking these conditions for now. Head towards the custom type section, where we can build our desired strategy. Under the custom type section, first let's clear the defaults provided and start constructing our long iron Condor accordingly. If you are not sure what these custom syntax depict, please refer to the previous video in the watch list to get a better understanding. As we aim to deploy long iron Condor, we need to buy the 40 TM call, and sell the 90 TM call on the long side. Similarly, we need to buy the 40 TM put, and sell the 90 TM put on the short side. Considering the capital deployed in the trading account and the RR ratio of this strategy, I would like to trade with 2 lots on each leg. In order to do that, under the lot multiplier section, set the value to 2. This means that for the lots specified in the custom input section for each leg, it multiplies the lot by 2. Keep the rest of the options as defaults. As you can see, the time is around 9:53 a.m. We are ready to deploy the strategy as intended. Let's create an alert on the indicator to see its action. Click on the OK button, head towards the 3 dots seen on the indicator panel, and click on Add Alert. Under this section, you can give any name of your choice. Under the Notification tab, ensure to paste your next level bot webhook URL, under this section. Once done, click on Create button. As you can see, we have successfully created our strategy alert. I will quickly create a similar alert on my other trading account as well. Finally, we have successfully deployed our long iron Condor strategy on our trading account.